Are you busy?
Yes, Miss Weaver. I am busy.
My office, 5 p.m.
Anna's boss says, "My office, 5 p.m." Is Anna in trouble? 3 steps. Watch the real conversation, learn the useful new words, then a listening test. Fill in the blanks. Let's start.
Yes, and now I have to record again.
No, I'm reading for my show.
Let's not talk about yesterday. Today is a new day. Today, I want to apologize to my coworkers. Hi, Anne. Are you busy?
Hi, Anna. Yes, at 10 a.m. I am writing. Every day I do my morning show. Sorry.
Okay. See you later. Maybe.
Maybe I'll see you later.
Hi, Jonathan. Are you busy?
Yes, I'm busy. When the studio light is on, I am recording my evening show.
Right. Sorry about yesterday.
No worries.
May I see the studio?
Maybe another time? Right now, I am busy.
Sure. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Amelia? Are you busy?
I'm a little busy.
I want to say I'm sorry for yesterday.
It's okay, Anna.
Well, I am sorry.
It's okay, Anna. Come by this afternoon.
Okay.
Anna,
Yes, Miss Weaver.
are you busy?
Yes, Miss Weaver. I am busy.
My office, 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Come in.
A party! Awesome! And I still have my job. Phew. Until next time.
Next, let's learn some useful words from the conversation. I'll use simple examples to help you understand. Are you busy? We ask this question when we want to know if someone is free to talk or help. For example, are you busy? No, I'm not. I can help.
Hi, Anne. Are you busy?
Every day. Every day means each day. For example, I walk to school every day.
Every day I do my morning show.
Morning, afternoon, evening. These are 3 parts of the day. For example, I study in the morning, work in the afternoon, and rest in the evening.
Every day I do my morning show.
When the studio light is on, I am recording my evening show.
It's okay, Anna. Come by this afternoon.
I'm sorry. You say I'm sorry for something when you feel bad about something you did. For example, I'm sorry for being late. It's okay.
I want to say I'm sorry for yesterday.
It's okay, Anna.
Last step, a listening test. Some words are missing on the screen. Listen carefully and fill in the blanks. Say the missing words out loud. Ready? Let's go.
Hi, Anne. Are you busy? Hi, Anne. Are you busy?
Every day I do my morning show. Every day I do my morning show.
When the studio light is on, I am recording my evening show. When the studio light is on, I am recording my evening show.
I want to say I'm sorry for yesterday. I want to say I'm sorry for yesterday.
You made it! Great work today. Now, one small assignment. Make a sentence with each of these phrases. Say your sentences out loud, or write them in the comments. See you in the next lesson.